Are you still struggling to register yourself for your Prometric exam? The truth is that you can do this from your comfort zone, and I don't know the reason why you're paying people for them to register you for your Prometric exam. Like, you just come to someone, register me for Prometric exam. When you have your laptop, you have your mobile, you can sit from your comfort zone and apply, or rather register for your exam by yourself. In this video, I'll be guiding you, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of visual guideline on how to register for a Prometric exam from your comfort zone. Actually, it's been long I did video on this channel. Reason being that it's been a lot. It's been a lot for sure. And anyway, I'm here. Okay, I've gotten lots of questions. I've gotten lots of requests. Please, can you show us how to register for a Prometric exam? So in this video, I'll be showing you how to register for a Prometric exam. As we all know, Prometric exam is one of the requirements needed for you to be able to become a Qatar registered nurse. With your positive data flow reports and your Prometric exam results, you're halfway to becoming a Qatar registered nurse. So what is this Prometric exam all about? Prometric exam is a board exam that Qatar uses for their healthcare professionals. Just like every other country, they have their board exam. In Nigeria, we have National Medical Council of Nigeria, your final exam. For US, for Canada, we have your NCLEX exam. Prometric exam is the exam, or is the board exam that Qatar uses for their healthcare professionals. Doctors take Prometric exam, nurses take Prometric exam, dentists take Prometric exam. All the healthcare professionals takes Prometric exam for them to be licensed as a healthcare professional in Qatar. For nurses, Prometric exam is not that hard. It's not that hard compared to NCLEX. It's a bit similar, but not as intensive or as demanding as NCLEX to say. Okay, so what does it entail? For nurses, Prometric exam is a multiple choice question, which is about 150 questions. You're expected to have about 50% pass mark for you to be able to pass Prometric exam. Okay, anything less than 50% is considered as fail. That means you should be getting at least 75 questions correct. Anything less than 75 is considered as fails. So how is the pattern of this exam? It's just a multiple choice question which covers all the areas of nursing: general nursing, pediatrics, adult nursing generally. And to say, there is not a particular textbook that is mapped out for Prometric exam. Just like NCLEX, we have the Saunders textbook. However, if you are grounded in nursing, and if you did your nursing and you have good knowledge about nursing, prioritization, your anatomy, just all the areas of nursing, you are good to go. You'll be able to pass Prometric exam. Also, you can also get some past questions or some materials that are being compiled. You can also get them and look at what the exam pattern looks like. Do I have any advice for you in regards to your preparation for your Prometric exam? Yes, download Prometric test app. It's just an app. I'll be attaching a picture up here. Download it from your Play Store. You'll be able to answer some questions that will prepare you for your actual Prometric exam. With that being said, I hope you've gotten a little knowledge about what Prometric exam looks like. Let's dive in. Here, just type in Prometric exam schedule from your search engine. You will get to the home page where you will see Prometric Pro Scheduler. From here, it will be taking you to search availability, schedule your exam, confirmation of receipt. Click on schedule your exam. When they ask you for the test sponsor, you should choose the country you're writing Prometric for. Here for Qatar, you'll be choosing Department of Healthcare Professionals, MOPH for Qatar. So just scroll down carefully. You will get to Department of Healthcare Professionals, MOPH, State of Qatar. Click on that, and it will take you to the next page. Okay, so when you choose the Department of Healthcare Professionals Qatar, you will get to this exam policy, this exam attempt policy, saying that examinees have 5 attempts only to pass the exam. Doctors, nurses, if you fail for the 5th time, you might not be given another chance to write Prometric exam. Okay, so after that, just read through it, take your time. After that, you click next. It will be there. You will see as the registration requirements. Just take your time to go through it. What to bring to the test center? You need to bring your ID, your international passports, or any means of identification. You need to come with that for your exam. Okay, and also maybe credit card just in case. I don't think you pay anything in the exam hall. Okay, so when you click next, you will see the data privacy stuff or something. Just go through it, your rights, everything. Take your time to read everything. Click on it. I'm just doing this because I want to make the video shorter to an extent. Then pre-approved testing accommodation. This page is just asking you if you need any additional accommodation such as assistive equipment, maybe on wheelchair, you use crutches or something like that. So are you pre-approved for testing accommodation for the test you wish to schedule? Here you're supposed to click no unless you are on wheelchair or you need any extra accommodation or something, but you have to be eligible for that. Okay, when you click no, it will be taking you to your specialty, your writing for registered nurse, registered midwife, doctors, dentists. So choose general registered nurse for nurses. Then if you're not a nurse, you'll be choosing your profession. This Prometric exam is applicable to all the medical professionals in Qatar. For your test center, you have to put in your address. That's if you have a Prometric exam center in your country. For Nigeria, there is no exam center in Nigeria. It's only in Ghana, which is the nearest. So if you put your address as Nigeria here, it will be suggesting the location Ghana for you to book your exam. Okay, so when you put in Nigeria, or if you don't want to put Nigeria, since you already know there is no exam center in Nigeria, just go ahead to put Ghana. If you're in Kenya, there's exam center in Kenya. If you're in South Africa, any of the countries, anywhere, any of your locations, okay, just put it in there. As you can see, Nigeria, sorry, no availability found in Nigeria, but it will suggest to you the nearest exam center. Or because I am doing it from here, it's showing me there is no availability near me from Nigeria, which is very far. Okay, so when I input Ghana, in Ghana, when I search for availability, you will see so many dates for Ghana. Okay, I will just wait for it to load. Yeah, you have to change the start date, you have to change the start date and end date. Maybe you start from I did this in April, this video in April, so just maybe from this May, put in any date and just to bring it out some dates for you. Just click on it and then search availability. It will get you lots of dates. Okay, look at the location: Accra, Ghana, Linear Assessment Services, Ghana. There is dates on the 20th of April to 29th. This video was recorded on in the month of April, so that's why it's like this. Okay, just change the date. You will just click any of the dates. You see the time: 8 a.m, 11:15, 12 p.m. So I chose 12 p.m. for my exam. Then after choosing the timing, the location will show you. Just look at the left side, you will see all the information that you've chosen already. Okay, here you'll be seeing schedule appointment. On top of the screen, you will see you have approximately 15 minutes to complete your appointment. Just read through that, click on the consent and all that, then move to next. When you get to next, here you will fill in your profile, whatever information that will be shown on your identification. If you have passport, whatever thing that will show on your passport, just put it in here. Okay, your information, your email, your mobile number, which country is issuing your passport or your means of identification, your ID. Just put in the country. Here, this is just a sample. I'm just putting in whatever email and whatever names. These are not real. Okay, I'm just putting it in. Do that with yours, your date of birth, everything. Basically just filling in your profile. Then after putting in this is your passport number, your government ID, that if you are using any of them, maybe your driving license or something. Then this here is asking you which hospital you are with. If you don't know, just click the last option, which I don't know yet, because maybe you've not got an employer or anything. So just click I don't know yet, and it will take you to the payment area. The cost of Prometric is $244 currently. Okay, click on that and register for your exam. The details, just look at this exam center. Okay, this is Linear Assessment Services, first floor, Total Engineers House, Accra, 00 Ghana. So it will give you exact location for your exam. You don't need to tell anyone to tell you which location. Just get in. If you are going for, depending on your location, travel to your exam center, locate it before the day of your exam, and write your exam. Okay, look at it. You're here you just go ahead to make your payments. You can use your credit card, you can use your master's card to make your payments. Okay, like I said before, there is no exam center in Nigeria for Nigerian nurses. There is an exam center in Ghana, which is the nearest. There is one in South Africa, there is one in Kenya. Just check in, just type to check if there is any exam center in your country. If you are not a Nigerian, or depending on the place you are writing from, just search to see if you have any Prometric exam center in your country. I keep on hearing from some people that there is exam center in Lagos, Nigeria. That is not for Qatar Prometric. There is no Qatar Prometric exam center in Nigeria. The one I heard about is for Kuwait, which I'm not very sure of, but I am very, very certain and sure that there is no Qatar Prometric Exam Center in Nigeria. The nearest one is in Ghana. Okay, people travel by road to Ghana to write their exam. If you have the funds, you can also fly. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.